What's up guys, my name is Meryl and I'm a private bartender here in Orange County, and this is what I take to all my bar events. This case is really awesome. I got it on Amazon. I'll link everything below. I'll show you how it collapses, how it goes up and down. It has made walking to parties and for parking so much easier. I love this. This is actually great to have just at your house if you're wanting to transport anything, even school books. I would totally use this. It's like a little mini luggage crate. I absolutely love it. Of course, I got it in pink. This has a funky sticker on it from the owner. I'm actually gonna really cool sticker and put it on top of there, but it's cool because you can kind of see in it, and then as you can see, this thing here spins around really neatly. It is empty like this. All that you do is flip up the bottom and it stays in there, and then you're going to hold it in nice and tight like that. And then you lock it on the sides. And now you have it to store away.
This portable crate is awesome. It has a topper that is removable completely and it spins around so easily. As you can see inside, it still is pretty sturdy even though it collapses. And then the wheels here, they have little locks on them. If I can find the locks to show you, yeah, they lock, so it moves freely and then they stop freely, or stop a lot if you will. So all you do is pull the bottom up and it actually stays right inside of the crate, and then the sides just cave in, and then they have the ability to lock, so it'll be stored really tightly and conveniently anywhere out of the way.